Guys, welcome back for another video. So today again a lot of news that's happening in this market right now. So this market never sleeps. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the first news. So Bitcoin's near $99,000 milestones. Bitcoin rose like 1.3% in the last 24 hours, reaching like $98,238 today, with 60% market dominance and a global crypto market of $3.21 trillion, up like 1.26%. Bitcoin reigns supreme. So trading volumes dipped slightly, but it will break maybe $100,000 this month. Time just will tell, guys. So keep in mind that bulls are charging, and stay tuned for potential like maybe historical crypto moment. A lot of shorts happening right now on the heat map. So is there gonna be like a short squeeze? Time will tell, but I think bears start to get a bit too greedy, and you know what does it means. All right, next up. So we have a story about like the protocol IP token surged like 60% to $4.91, $4.91, outshining major altcoins. This AI-driven project ranked among the top 10 crypto AI tokens, driven by whales buying and $4.77 million in exchanging outflow. IP's breaks int brick potentials. Could this spark an altcoin season? Share your thoughts down below. Next up, guys. SEC unleashes crypto fraud crackdown units. The US SEC launched a unit to combat crypto fraud, announced today, signaling stricter oversight after numerous scams. Some welcome the protections, others worry it will hinder innovations. Where do you stand? This may reshape the crypto landscape. So just a quick note on that thing. So the SEC is great because on market evolving every day, having more regulation is great to protect the investor, but we need to find the middle lane where innovation can still get have the potential and build, and you know they don't worry about this. But on the other side, I have a bit of the protection about like people rug pull and big scams in this industry. So yes, it's great that we have a bullish SEC on the US side, that they're gonna take care of bringing more innovation in the US. But we just need to be, as a free market, we need just to make sure that they don't put certain regulations to have more control and affect like the day-to-day investors and the small project that want to innovate, but then they cannot anymore because too much regulation that, not on their advantage. All right, so next up. XRP rockets toward all-time high. XRP is surging up 7% to trade above like $2.70, testing resistance at $2.80 that we've seen in my previous video. Grayscale XRP ETF filing now under SEC review. Fuel hopes of a breakout of $3.40 or a new peaks. Time will tell. After years of regulatory struggles, XRP comeback showcases resilience growth. So are you in or are you holding off? Me, I don't hold any of them. I know there are, I think XRP are pre-mined tokens and they all just keep selling. So that's one thing. It's bullish for overall. They try to be on the right direction with all the new regulation that's happening in the US. So they try to fit on those US crypto assets. And they play the time similar than Binance and other, where they had like some lawsuits filled with the SEC, because now we're moving toward like SEC friendly crypto. So they play time with their lawyers and their lawsuits just to move on the bright future. So I would just keep posting on it. But for people who hold like a crypto XRP, it's amazing for you, good on you. But just all the time, do your own research, very important. But we bring you the latest news here. Next up, PI Network on main launch sparked drama. Bybit CEO called it a scam and trading volume dropped 18% today. Is PI revolutionary or overhyped? the crypto community is divided. Share your take below if you hold any and unpack like some controversy. Pi hit exchange like OKX and Gate. So yes, they got like more awareness when they hit those big exchanges, but sometimes doesn't mean that if they are like a good project or not, because we are still like in a gray area, free market. So sometimes it just they know someone that they know someone, a friend of a friend, and it can have a good impact if they are on exchanges, but it have as well like some bad impact if they are something a bit shady. So time will tell. Let me know what you think about Pi network, and let's move on to the next news. So Litecoin transaction explode 243% with ETF buzz. Litecoin making a comeback. So true, it's like a dinosaur coins, similar than Bitcoins. So it's great for it still have like a big community on the Litecoin site. So it's great to see. It's great to see. So the Litecoin ETF appear on the DTCC website. This listing is a major step forward toward launch exciting Litecoins holders with dreams of price pumps and mainstream adoptions. Could Litecoin reclaim its spot as a top contender? Just stay tuned. So yes, a big community. They've been surviving for multiple cycles now, and you're gonna see more and more major layer ones or altcoins on the proof of work sides, tokens or protocols that are going to get listed on the ETF. So it's bullish for the space, and I think they deserve it, you know. When we see innovations, community, and developers that keep building, I think it's great to see. Competition is good for the market to evolving and to bring more technology. And yes, let's move on. Ethereum fell below $280,000. Ethereum rose like 0.8% to $2,752, but it's down 20% this year. It's true, it didn't do much this year. Analysts predict a drop of $2,560 if $267 support fails. So if we break down this support, we may just try to retest lower, and then it's going to affect as a ceiling, as a resistance, and we may need like some very big news to break and just try to reach those peaks again. Is it gonna be maybe the Ethereum news about the upgrades that I've talked about on my previous video? Yes, potentially. Or when the next narrative maybe about like a layer one research with all those ETFs that bring maybe like more the stronger layer ones that's been that survive multiple cycles. Time will tell, but yeah, to move Ethereum, we need some solid news. Otherwise, it may drop and lose this support. It's going to be difficult to break it back again. Next up, BINANCE step up for scam victim. Changpeng Zhao, Binance bold leaders, is gaining favor once more. He pledged further donations to victims of the TST and broccoli scams, enhancing his post-legal redemptions arc. CZ Goodwill shows crypto top figures can still contribute a purposeful, feel-good story. What's your view on this action? Let me know as well if people hold any broccoli, TSD, if you are bullish as well on the Binance chain that came back, try to innovate again. They were like a big leader, similar than, you know, what's happening on the same vibe that with the narrative with meme coins, right now with Solana. In 2021, there was the OG where revolutioning the way to creating and simplify the way to tokenize assets. So time will tell. Let me know what you think about that. Figures yields stablecoins breaks new ground. Stablecoin just got spicier. Figure yields is the first interest-bearing stablecoins to gain SEC approval as a security token. Oh, good to know. This game changer offer return to holders, potentially disrupting giants like Tether, because Tether is among the biggest one. We got Tether, we got USDC, we got DAI on the on the Ethereum. So we got some big ones, but it's always good to have and see innovation, and they work with regulations. But like I say, sometimes regulations maybe they may have like too much power where they can shadow ban or they can maybe freeze your assets. So I preach like decentralized kind of protocol or assets. You know, they are back or they found like some technology that they are on chain. So cool, the yields redefine stable assets. Your wallet may want to take notes. So yes, we will just keep following this news if I've got more news about this one. Next one, ECB dives into blockchains. With new settlement systems across the pond, the European Central Bank, ECB, is cooking up a blockchain-based settlements system. Should we trust them? Should we not? I live with you. I've never been big fan of central banks and so on. So yes, I leave that with you. Let's keep moving. So this move hint a crypto creeping into a traditional finance backyard. Europe's warming, sorry, my bad, up to digital assets. Could this spark a global domino effect? Big implications for the future. And we are here for it. So yes, like I say, once again, I'm not a big fan of central banks. I'm not a big fan of what's the name again of this European, central banks, EMF. You see, EMF, not a big fan. And if they create like a European central token, they may have like a backdoor that they can freeze it at any time. So they may just have advantage on their side, but when something they doesn't like much, or they don't like you, or they don't want to do business with you anymore, could they freeze your assets? Time will tell. So all the time, do your own research, and we are here. That's why all the time follow this channel. Like if you found anytime like some great value, you learned something, and subscribe to don't miss any latest news about this crypto. But yes, on the big picture, you see every day this market, this industry keep building. This market never sleep. We got good news on good news. We got innovations popping up everywhere, smaller projects as well that bring innovation. So it's really good. On the SEC and regulations sides, it keep going on the right directions, but as on industry, as we are decentralized, we need to make sure, and free market, we need to make sure that everything going according to the plan, and they don't take too much advantage that they kind of say, yeah, we are on friends, welcome us, and then they beat us with a stick. So yes, on that note, guys, if you learned something, this is amazing. I will just do more news. I will do as well a live stream probably tonight. So have a nice day. Talk to you soon, and be safe out there. Goodbye guys.